Hello there YouTubers, it is Collected Tooth 5 back at it again, this time with my first science videos. And I thought I could start off with something that would kind of be the gist of the rest of my science videos. And so I'll be talking about aliens today. Um, the rest of my science videos will probably be about the paranormal, uh, extraterrestrial, and cryptic things, cryptozoology, etc., etc. Things that are more controversial than not. I'm not gonna say them as fact, but maybe they are true, maybe they aren't. Now, just to think about the aliens. There's something called the Drake equation. An equation that, well, Drake, forgot his last name, or that is his last name, Drake, uh, made up to calculate the number of habitable planets in the galaxy. And now, not just habitable planets, but he also estimated the number of alien civilizations or alien species, so to speak, in the galaxy. Now, according to him and his calculations, there are between thousands to even millions of alien civilizations within the galaxy. So that gets me thinking. I looked at the equation and it proves a little bit sound. There's no way we could know for sure, but it proves sound. So I kind of agree. I think there are more chances than not that aliens exist. Um, they can be here. They can be studying us. I guess that wouldn't be such a far-fetched idea. Uh, well, the question you might be asking is why don't more of us know about it? Is it a government's conspiracy, or is people hiding? Are people hiding it from us? Well, no. There's something called the ant theory, and this took place with a couple of biologists. They figured out that maybe extraterrestrials aren't communicating to us directly the same way we don't communicate to ants directly, because it's so-called the ant theory. We don't communicate to every ant species there are, every ant colony, because, well, first of all, they don't have any usable knowledge that we could be able to attain. Second of all, they're inferior. They're not as smart as we are, so we don't think about them as being this this mysterious being where we have to discover and study them. Now we do study them, and that might be what's going on with aliens and us. They may be studying us, and that wouldn't be too far-fetched an idea, but they aren't going to communicate directly with us as we are not going to communicate directly with ants. We're not going to land in an ant colony in their leader's spot or the queen bee spot and say, we're here, we want to communicate. Same way they wouldn't do that to us. So that kind of does make sense. However, I do kind of wish they would do that. Well, I don't know about I wish, but it would cause a lot of chaos. Now, that's just the gist of it. I do believe in aliens, and I think there's more chances than of them being a real thing than not. Um, there is another situation where another reason I should say, where they might not be visiting us. This is because light travel does actually exist. We can travel to light, but however, the distances between stars and planets is so enormous that, well, they don't think it's worth it traveling all this way to another planet where they know life already exists, and maybe it's already been destroyed or something like that. So that's basically it for this video. That's just my opinion and my sort of a basis point for the rest of the science videos I'm gonna make. This is just an explanation, a little taste of of a little dose, I just say, of what you're going to receive from me if you subscribe, like, and stick around for more. And so that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more science videos of me. Thank you very much.